I've been flying drones in tropical forests the past few years, and the thing that always strikes me as amazing is how different the forest feels when you're flying over it compared to when you're walking through it. When you're flying over it, you can see all the large trees, all the areas that are fragmented, and the areas that are healthy and contiguous. It's a very different experience. With this project, we're trying to utilize drones to get a larger view of the environment, to be able to incorporate surveys done on ground with surveys done from the air. Now, orangutans have declined in numbers by almost a half over the last 16 years, so they're really under threat. This is due to habitat change, due to logging, conversion of areas for oil palm, and also due to hunting. It's important that in a changing world, we need to change the methods we use to analyse what threats these animals are facing. This project collects images of the Bornean rainforest from these surveys, and from these we're asking volunteers from all over the world to identify orangutan nests and their keystone species, fig trees. We use drones because they're really efficient. They can fly over a huge area in a short amount of time and collect lots of information. And we're using you because the power of independent volunteers is very useful, and we want you to look at these images independently and assess whether or not you see strangler figs or orangutan nests. So join our website and look through each image carefully. Check out all the information we've compiled in the field guide to give you more familiarity with how to conduct these tasks. It's the hope that if this tool is successful, we can expand it to other areas and use citizen science-based surveying to understand how the environment is changing and what we can do to protect the species. Orangutans are an umbrella species, and this means that their habitat requirements are those of a huge number of others. So if we protect the orangutans, we can protect the forest as a whole. So join our website, and thanks for your help.